Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I do to my hair. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it's not really like dreaded. You know what I'm saying? It's not really dreaded. It's just like twisted, I guess. Like most of them locked. You know what I'm saying? Some of them locked. Some of them in the back. You know what I'm saying? Some of them locked, but for the most part, they're not really like parted and separated, twisted. If they were, they would be hanging like that. You know what I'm saying? They would hang a little more. But I want some of mine to stand up, so I'm gonna like put some of them together like that. I'm gonna put some of them together and like rubber bands. Maybe I'm gonna have some people like double strand twist them. I'm gonna have some people double strand it, you know what I'm saying? Get it right for me. Some of them be connecting. See? Like this, like locked right in here. Feel like a little bit. Like it's sticking together. But it's separated right here. You know what I'm saying? So my hair just all over the place. But that's how I wanted it. So, okay, so this is what I do first. You know what I'm saying? It's not really too much. Hold on a second. Let me see. Because you don't really need too much. All you need for this is a brush and water. That's all you need. A brush and water and free time to just play in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Just play in your hair when you're bored. Twist. You know what I'm saying? It's not really too much to it. And before this, before I twisted my hair up like a year ago and started growing up, my hair usually did not grow like it took forever for it to grow. And I used to always cut it off and restart because it was taking forever. But when I started twisting my hair though, it started growing a lot more profusely. I think that's the word for it. It started growing a lot more profusely. So yeah, water and a brush. It could be like a medium brush, medium soft, hard. So go get that. I'm finna go get it and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, so I got the brush, you know what I'm saying? Just any brush. It's not even a brush I started off with, but I use it sometimes and do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? This is like a retwist for the freeforms. This brush right here is a good method for retwist while your hair isn't too long. You know what I'm saying? When you get too long, it's not gonna really work like that. So you can use this method definitely for beginning though. You know what I'm saying? Beginning, it's a great method. You know what I'm saying? So you wanna get some warm water. I'm wetting my hands a little bit, wait till it get a little warm. You don't wanna get your hands too soaked. You don't want your hair too wet. You just want it damp. So get your hair damp. You know what I'm saying? Before my hair was even long, I would do the same thing. So I'm telling y'all what I do. You know what I'm saying? Get it a little damp. Alright, y'all see it's a little damp, you know what I'm saying? It's a little damp. My hair's soft, y'all. I don't know if my hair look like it's rough, but everybody when they touch my hair, they be like, "Oh, it's so soft." I just imagine touching that. Okay, so after you damp your hair, alright, it's damp. Now you want to get your brush, medium brush, put it down and just go in a small circle. You see that? See how it's kind of a little longer? Because it's kind of like a retwist method. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's good, like as far as pulling your hair, you know what I'm saying? But just how I started. I'm just telling you how I started. Just going in tight circles. But this is another thing. You gotta have a certain type of hair texture for this brush method to work. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a soft, coarse. Well, I don't know if you have to, but it worked perfect with a soft, coarse hair texture. Like soft, coarse. You know what I'm saying? It can't be too coarse, but you know what I'm saying? Just go in circles, tight circles, all over your head, and they're gonna form a little twist. When my hair was shorter, it just looked like little dreads a little bit until they got longer. And like I barely do this. Like I don't even do this no more. Like now I just let my hair do what it want every day. I just wake up, do that, and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Put a little water in it, you know what I'm saying? Do a little something like that. But as far as retwisting it, I don't do anything. I just play in it. That's it. Some people's hair texture might not be able to do it though. So if this method worked for you, let me know. You know what I'm saying? If this method worked for you, let me know. Let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? It should be a good method though. You know what I'm saying? If I wanted to part it, I could though. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think I should do to my hair. Let me know if y'all think I should combine them. Or let me know if I should, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if I should combine them. Let me know if I should get them like twisted up for real. Or should I just keep freeform, letting it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? When your hair get a little longer, you can start to grip it. You can like grab two strings and just two strand twist, I mean. Just do it yourself. And make sure you twist them to the root. See, I really got 3. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna look like that. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna look like that. That's actually what I might do. I do that to some of mine already, like all throughout my head. Most of these are double strand, triple strand. Like most of these are already double stranded, but they lock, and then I don't do it again. Like I haven't did it again yet, like all throughout the head. But I need to do. See, mine get a little long. But you can double strand, that's a good method right there, you know what I'm saying? But, hey y'all, when I get back in the shop, I'm telling you. When I get back in the shop, I'm dropping heat, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe now. Make sure y'all tell y'all friends to subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure y'all share my videos, man. Make sure y'all keep commenting, you know what I'm saying? Keep viewing all my videos I post. Give me tips on what y'all think I should do. Give me, you know what I'm saying, video ideas, you know what I'm saying? Give me all that. Let me know what's up. So yeah, I'm gonna start posting more videos when I get back in the shop. I'm going back to the shop May 18th. I'm going back May 18th because I was like, I ain't gonna go back too early with the people that's just gonna hop out there right when everything open back up. I ain't gonna be in that crew. I'm gonna do myself like that. Stuff should be, you know what I'm saying, calm then. It should be calmer then. But I'm gonna only be cutting 3 heads today, y'all. So I'm only be cutting 3 heads today. And I'm gonna have 2 off days as usual. But yeah. I'm gonna be cutting 3 heads today. So I might vlog on some of them days if y'all want me to, you know what I'm saying? I might vlog. I might get a few tutorials in, you know what I'm saying? I never know. Depends on how it's looking, you know what I'm saying? Depends on how it's looking, but I do miss cutting though, you know what I'm saying? I haven't cut in a long time. I haven't been doing no house calls. I haven't been doing nothing, just straight chilling, getting my mind right, getting ready to take over when I get back in the shop, you know what I'm saying? So, but I hope y'all like this hair tutorial, man. I hope it helped y'all with y'all hair, you know what I'm saying? Because I know it's frustrating when your hair not acting right, you know what I'm saying? Or when you can't get your hair to twist up, but yeah. I got so much requests for this video. That's why I finally went ahead and did it, man. You know what I'm saying? My only thing be taking the time out of my day to actually record. That's the only thing that be slowing me down. But yeah.